Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to record FaceTime video calls on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now from here, just add the screen recording shortcut to the control center. For that, just tap and hold on the empty space of the screen, then tap on add a control. Now in the search bar, just search screen recording. Now from here, just tap on screen recording. Now once you add the screen recording option to the control center, now just tap on the empty space to save the changes. Now from here, if you go to the home screen and open the FaceTime, now if you start a FaceTime video call, now to record the FaceTime video call on your iPhone, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now in the control center, just tap on screen recording and you will start screen recording the video call on your iPhone. Now once you finish your FaceTime video call, just tap on the dynamic island on your iPhone and tap on stop recording. Now from here you can find your FaceTime video call screen recording in your Photos app. For that, just open the Photos app, and as you can see, we have successfully recorded the FaceTime video call. But remember that you cannot record the sound of your FaceTime video call. You can only screen record the video of the FaceTime video call. And this is how you can record FaceTime video call on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.